There was one thing I know that we mentioned before, Jason, too, is the organizing lead incentive program was something that we had some conversations about. Maybe you could elaborate a little bit more about that particular program.
Absolutely. So our executive board passed a great program for the members. We tell the members if you're out and about, you're out to dinner, you're out at a baseball game or your kid's soccer game, and you hear somebody talking about their job and they don't know much about the union. They want to learn about the union or they want to join the union. We have a organizing lead card that they just fill out of the person's company they work for, their name and number. They can also put it in through a QR code that's on the card. And if we get cards signed and a petition filed, it's going to be $250 for the person that submits the lead. If we get a contract for that group after the petition's filed, then it's a $500 payout for the lead. So it's a great incentive program. It's given back to the membership, and it's working very well in Local 294. We've gotten a lot of leads, a lot of good leads, and we've paid out on a few of the incentives so far. So it's a good program.